Sarah Kreitzer, registered acupuncturist, shiatsu therapist with Acupuncture Center Toronto. Today I want to show you what cupping is and what it can do. A lot of people sort of saw cupping on Cameron Diaz's back on an entertainment show a few years ago and brought it into the mainstream. Basically, I'm going to be doing fire cupping today. There's all different kinds, but I'm going to be applying a little bit of a torch with a saturated cotton ball into the cup and putting it on the skin. And what that's going to do is it's said to suck out pain, disease, and tension, according to traditional Chinese medicine. There's all different techniques that you can use with cupping. I'm going to do something called sliding cupping because it's really amazing for large muscle groups. I use it on the back, the IT band, the side of the legs, sometimes the glutes. I'm just applying just a little bit of almond oil. I also have hypoallergenic oil if people are allergic to nuts. I'm really into aromatherapy, so I always sort of try and sneak some healing oils in. This is arnica. It's great for inflammation and any kind of muscle and orthopedic issues, tendons, sprains, injuries. I'm just going to get a little bit more oil. So once the fire goes into the cup, the oxygen is removed and it creates sort of a vacuum. It's almost like a hickey. The more red it gets, it's actually what we're looking for. We're looking for a red presentation on the back because we know that the tissue is going to be supercharged with fresh blood, and that's what we want. We want all that tension, we call it stagnation in Chinese medicine, to come up, rise to the top of the skin to be released. So this is also an amazing detoxification treatment. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to just torch the cup, quickly apply it onto the skin. Kind of feels a little bit weird. And then we're just going to massage the back with the cups. But already you can see there's more tension on the left side of her back. And you can see because it's turning a little bit reddish. And this grabs all the muscles. And then if you want to focus on a certain area, like if you have shoulder injury or shoulder pain and tension, you can see that this is the key side, the right side. And you can see that it's getting purplish. We call that sha in Chinese medicine. And that's what we want. So although this may look a little bit drastic, it's actually incredibly healing. And I have patients that request this because not only does it soothe their aches and pains, also makes them feel very refreshed. People say after a cupping treatment they sleep better. I also use it a lot for cold and flu. Because like I said, it sucks illness out of the body. In cold season, use this a lot. And then we can also just sort of leave it on the skin. We find an area that's more red or purplish. You can leave that and have it applied onto the skin. We leave that on for about 10 minutes. So like a lot of the other therapies, we don't charge extra for this service. It's at no additional charge, and it usually takes about 5 to 15 minutes. Sometimes we need to leave them on and let the patient relax. Other times we're just going to do flash cupping, and it's just a few minutes. So, and for patients that like it, they request it all the time, and we're happy to do it. So we'll just demonstrate a little bit of flash cupping. If you have any questions, drop us a line at hello@acupuncturecentertoronto.com. Find us online at acupuncturecentertoronto.com and book a session, and let's get cupping. Thanks for listening.